My name is Kelsey Herring, and I am at South Plains College getting a certificate in accounting. My dream location would be Montana, anywhere in Montana. I love the cold and the water and the green grass everywhere. Where I grew up, it was nothing but dry and bare. So I love the mountains, the snow, the trees, and the green grass, and the water. So I would love to live anywhere in the mountains where it's cold and where things actually grow because they have water. This is my dream home. Here is the living room, or the main entry when you walk in. And there's the stairs going up. And I would probably definitely have crosses all around my house because I am a typical West Texas girl and I have crosses everywhere. Here is a picture of the upstairs. Ooh, I love fireplaces, and if I live anywhere where it is cold, I would definitely love to have a fireplace. This shows, well, it kind of looks like a bookcase, but it's actually the door to a hidden room. And it looks to me like it could be a game room or just a room that you go and watch TV. Here is the kitchen. And over to the left is an office. I really like big kitchens. I'm not much of a cooker, but if I had a kitchen like this, I would become a very good cook. Ooh, a walk-in closet or a walk-in pantry. That's a very good idea because I hate to go to the store. So when I have to go to the store, it is like once a week. So I get everything I need for the whole week. Here is a mother-in-law suite, or a place that when you have kids, they could have all their friends come over and spend the night. Here are the bathrooms, and these showers and just the whole decor of the bathroom looks really cool to me. Here is the master bedroom, and there's a deck, and it looks like a really nice deck. Here's the master bathroom. Here's one of the kids' rooms. Here's another kid's room. Here's the main bathroom. Here is the, I guess the theater room, where you could watch movies and have surround sound and just a lot of fun. Here is the laundry room with really nice laundry machines. Here is a mud room, and I would definitely love to have a mud room because if I have kids, I would love a place for my kids to put their dirty shoes and just keep all their junk out of the main part of the house. Here is a garage, and to the right is the garage door for normal sized cars, and to the left is the garage door for an RV. Here's the back, and it shows on the left the RV garage door, and I'm assuming that the door on the bottom is into the kitchen, but I'm not quite positive. And above is the deck that we saw earlier that goes into the master bedroom. Oh my goodness, I would love to have land. If I were to step outside and see anything close, I would be so claustrophobic. I grew up on a farm and we had a lot of land, And I've really had a lot of land every place that I've lived. So I am definitely not going to move into the city or where when I open the door I see a neighbor. That would drive me insane. Here's another picture of the outside. That yellowish wood door is another door to the main family room or living room. And here is the front of the house and another picture of the front. And the carport with the car garage. And that's it.